Teachers of Achimota School have been undergoing COVID-19 testing in the school's chapel today. The testing comes as the regional health director announced a compulsory testing regime for all teachers of the school. This, according to the health directorate, is part of efforts to contain the spread of the deadly Delta variant. Judith Awutuchando has more in the following report.
COVID testing for teachers began at 10 a.m. today at Achimota School after the regional health director announced a compulsory testing regime for all teachers in a meeting held yesterday. We were not allowed entry into the premises. However, some parents who came around complained bitterly about not being allowed to access their wards. According to them, they have not been given any information of the state of affairs in the school and are not allowed to see their children or take them home. They refused to be filmed but granted an interview.
Actually, it's very scary. It's very, very scary because we all heard that the Delta variant is very fast spreading and it kills very fast. So we are expecting the school to reach out to parents to at least come and pick up their wards. At least after the test and then it comes out they are negative, you can allow them to go. Then you quarantine the rest. But you can't keep the kids in school. Parents are worried. We are seriously worried. We don't know what's really going on.
So that means they've not given you any information about what is happening?
We haven't been given any information. All the information we have is what we read in the news. To get an official information from the school, no, we haven't received that.
Okay. And are you allowed to see your kids
no,
at this point?
We are not. If you're lucky and you have a teacher around who knows your ward, you can come, leave something with them for them to give it to the kid. But then we've not been able to see the kids, not even hear from them.
As parents, we were hoping by now the school would have at least given us information, updates about the situation going on at the school because we are all worried. The only updates that we know is from what we hear on the news. We don't know how our wards are faring, we don't know the conditions they are in. And so we're hoping and we are pleading with the school to at least contact with the parents and give us an assurance that our wards are safe. And if they can dispatch those who haven't contracted the virus home, they should just release them to us. Okay, we'll be very grateful.
Some hawkers around the school also raised concerns about the constant contact with teachers and day students despite the outbreak. We are afraid we might get the virus because the school children buy from us. The nurses as well as patients in the hospital also eat here. So when they buy from us, we try our best to sanitize our hands so that we too can be safe.
We
are all scared because this pandemic has brought a lot of almost everything to standstill. So I think the most important is for the prevention measures, the protocols to be observed. The washing of the hands, sanitizing, and then distancing.
The regional health directorate, however, will by the end of this week begin testing in the various dormitories, prioritizing students with symptoms. Judith Awutuchando, Joy News.